Hey everyone, I am overly excited to share this with you guys. So I already shared that I won a giveaway on Instagram of this Macart Pro Ultimate Beginner Starter Kit. I am opening it here in this video and I am in love with this kit. I am so impressed by it. It's incredible and I wish I could go back in time and have this when I first started because it would have made life so much easier. When you first start, there's all these things that you want to get because you see them and you don't know really what you need. And this kit directs you to what you need to actually learn to do nails and to start your journey in nails. So highly recommend it. And right now you can get this kit right here on TikTok. There's a deals for you days going on. You can get it for like $30 off, I think, and it comes with a 16-ounce monomer. So grab it. It's really amazing, well worth it. It comes with two 100 grit files that are really good quality. You get a size 8, 100% Kolinsky brush, perfect size for somebody just starting. Size 8 is the best size for a starter in my opinion. You get this instruction manual. I do wish it was a little more detailed, but it does have a QR code that you can scan to go to some of their videos that helps you a little bit more, which I like. You also get your 2 buffer blocks, 120 grit. And these are 2 little Macart Pro glues, which I like that they included in it. I'm actually out of nail glue, which is weird, so I'm really glad I got that. But you guys, I'm really excited for this kit. I haven't been able to play with the powders too much because it's really hot where I live right now, and in my nail room I also have my reptiles and I can't like put air conditioner in here because I need to stay warm. So it's finally cooled off today, so I get to try it finally, and I'm really excited, and I'll let you guys know after I do. You also get this whole box of non-C-curve tips, square tips, that seem to be extremely good quality. I really like them a lot. I'm excited to try them. They were a little mixed up in the case just from shipping, but that's normal, it happens. I was able to just straighten them out and no problem. But they look really great. I'm really excited about this. Another great thing about this kit is you're getting all full-size products. They're not the little baby products that you get with most kits that you run out of because you're practicing. You're going through a lot of products. And that's not this kit. You get what you need and you'll be able to learn how to actually do nails with the proper stuff, which I really like. So you're going to get your Ultra Bond, your acid-free primer, and then you get a dehydrator. Now the dehydrator does say it's fragrance-free. I disagree with that, but everybody's scent's different. You know, you smell things differently than I do. So something that stinks to me, you might like. You never know. You also get their Ultra Glass Top Coat, and these are all 15 mLs. They're full size. That's incredible and almost unheard of in these acrylic beginner kits. And then here are the powders. Now my powders did come, I think the clear was the one that was leaking a little bit, so they were a little dusty. Just wear your gloves, wipe them off, and seal it the rest of the way and you're good to go. This came with 4 2-ounce cover acrylics. That's incredible for a beginner kit. And they're cover acrylics. That's what you really want to start out with to learn your liquid ratio and all that. They're the best powders to start out with, better than like glitters and stuff like that. So you get a clear, you get pink silk, you get vanilla cream and sweet pea. You guys, I really like this kit. I highly recommend it for somebody just starting out or even somebody like me that's been doing it for a while. Again, it has everything you need to start your nail journey. And you can get it right now, like I said, on the TikTok shop for a discount. Check it out, click that link, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all bunches, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.